Hi, it's Marcus de Maria here. I wanted to talk to you about why trading and investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And by the way, trading is more kind of short-term, buying, selling, buying, selling. Investing is more long-term. And we think that you should be doing a little bit of both. So why isn't it? Because I'm totally against these kind of get-rich-quick things. The reason is because I pretty much tried them all, and they don't work. In fact, any of those things are get-rich-very-slowly schemes. And the reason is because you waste the most precious resource that we have, which is our time. 2 years you're doing this thing, it doesn't really work, and now you've lost, forget about the money, you've lost time. So what we do in terms of trading and investing is we take some money and we invest it extremely safely using a strategy which tells you when to get in, when to get out, how much to invest, and where to invest. Those are the 4 components. And then we make 3% a month, or if you're investing, that's trading, if you're investing, we're looking at more than 15% a year. And what we do is we reinvest that money. We don't spend that money, we reinvest that money to compound our returns up. And it really goes quite quickly, but it is really a 9 to 10 year plan. It's not a 1, 2, or 3 year plan. Well, it depends how much money you've got. Some people have got 100,000 or they've got $1 million to invest, in which case you can, 15% of $1 million is good money. However, most people start with maybe 2,000, maybe 5,000 or 10,000 or something like that. So it does take a little bit of time to safely and consistently grow that money up. So I want you to stop thinking, well, if you don't mind, I'd like you to stop thinking about this kind of, I want it now, get rich quickly, because all you do is waste time and money. But time is the most important thing. In the meantime, we could have been growing the money. I mean, just for example, we're just about to shoot another video here about me getting into oil. I'm telling everybody get into oil, not now, but at the time, telling everybody to get. And within what, 2 to 3 weeks, it had gone up by 12%. But now I've got an extra, whatever, £3,000, but I'm not going to go out and spend that money. I'm going to put it back into my account, make the same amount of percentage returns on a larger amount of money now, and it gets larger and larger, and it's exponential growth. And that's what trading and investing is all about. Doing it at home, you don't have to go anywhere. All you do is do a bit of research, 20 minutes a day, click, on the mouse. And I mean, talk about the ideal online business. Seriously, the ideal online business. And the best thing is, because it's just 20 minutes a day, guess what? That means that you can do it alongside anything else. You don't have to give up anything. Carry on doing all the other stuff. Keep doing your career, keep doing your business, keep doing your property, your internet, to keep doing all of those things. But do this as well and grow that pot over the years, because those years are going to come anyway. I have people saying, anything that takes over 2 years is too long. 2 years later, I meet them again, guess what they've done? Nothing, zero, nichivo, nein, nichts, which is such a shame. 2 years they've wasted of the most precious resource, and then they go, oh, well, I can't be bothered. Ridiculous. Start now, but you need to have strategies with those 4 rules so that you can start building it up and exponential growth. It will go faster than you think. It's not a get rich quick, but it is a get wealthy consistently. And that's what we're here to teach you. I hope that gave some perspective. I hope you realize that it's not a get rich quick scheme. It is something you do need to do, but it is just 20 minutes a day. Doesn't matter when, morning, afternoon, or evening, 20 minutes a day consistently, and you'll be surprised just how wealthy you can become.